Oh, ladies and gentlemen, are you seeing this right now? Because I am. Woo! Guys, did you expect this? Hopefully so. Because we just got it. Let's go. Back into cracking the crazy business. Ladies and gentlemen, first time today with me. And I know you're seeing this. This is a crazy time. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. A regular one? Nah, ladies and gentlemen. We got the top side on this bad boy. Woo! 3 times on everything. 3X it up, baby. 3X it up, baby. 3X. Everything, guys. The doubles, the triples, question mark, guys. Everything is nice and shiny. Decision time. Green, blue, yellow, guys. It is time to choose your destiny. Alright, green, blue, yellow, guys. Don't choose it all. That's going to be an auto pick for you. Let's press the button with a finger. We spinning, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Woo! 60 times for yellow, 75 for green. Team blue, we diving in once again. Double it up, baby. Double it up. Twice on everything. 600X. Let's fly. Come on. Team blue, we going in once more. Let's do it. Oh, mama.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.